what's happened, I developed so many colors in the previous years, and colors is part of my DNA. At the same time, I wanted to develop the black as something festive, as something beautiful, something extremely elegant. Most of all, something that you never get tired of. And I believe that this collection is extremely Cavalli through another lens. Because, in a mainstream way, if you ask people something about Cavalli, they talk about colors in your face, animal prints. I did it, I developed it. This time I wanted to respect still the codes of Roberto Cavalli, but this time through a different lens. And I loved it so much. I love Iman. She's amazing. She's part of my childhood. She's part of my, fashion culture, and she's an obsession, of course. But the Marchesa Casati, but also Alvin Ailey, the incredible American choreographer, which I love, and meeting Marchesa Casati, listening to Depeche Mode and The Cure. It's kind of new romantic. I love very much. I love Mariah forever. She's thank you so much. It was amazing. I love Milan so much, and it was. I lived the Olympics in such a beautiful way. The overture was amazing. She was gorgeous, and I had so much fun. And then most of all, what I love, it was like a message of women empowerment through our athletes. The girls were fantastic, and they showed so much power and strength, and I love it.
I'm wearing one of the preview of the collection, so I'm super excited to see all the rest of the collection. Yeah, Fausto, I love you. You're such a genius to me, and thank you for always believing in me.
I'm very happy to be here. Very curious about the collection. I've seen something during the fitting, but I want to see more. Fausto, good luck. I love you.
Sexiness, as always. For me, this is a very special event every time because it's during the year, every event I have, I want to wear Cavalli because I feel like such a goddess in every piece of it. Yeah, so I'm so excited. Fausto, you're so talented, and I admire you so much. As you know, we're friends, and cannot wait to see you later.
Cavalli at its best. Kind of channeling Scarface. Claudia Schiffer as well, I could see wearing this, but obviously staple gold. Love the Cavalli pieces. Oh, I'm expecting big energy, big prints, color, and all the vibes.
I'm so excited to be here, especially because my husband is with me. So we are living like a couple night that after having a baby it's difficult to find a night that we spend together. Just the two of us, I mean. And yeah, I'm so excited to see the next collection. So usually I wear dresses, so very sexy dresses. This year I wanted something different, and I choose this skirt, this shirt. I love it with the animal print as usual, and these gold pants that I'm obsessed with. And this bag. I'm full of snakes, it's everywhere.
Fashion TV, it's a busy time. Fashion Week is always a busy time, but it's always a lot of fun.
Fausto, good luck. It's going to be amazing as always.
Hi Fausto, it's Amy Jackson Westwick and we're here in Milan for Roberto Cavalli.
I love Fashion TV, I love you.